My Kenmore Elite 74023 has a display error code of ER1F, which supposedly means the problem is in the ice fan motor, wiring harness or PCB. The lights on the door for the ice or water dispenser go off. I can recycle the lights by unplugging the power, but the problem reoccurs. Do I replace the whole ice maker?
So you're on the right track with what the error code means. But this issue happens all the time and it's been narrowed down to less possibilities. So error if doesn't actually have anything to do with the ice maker itself. So first, let me explain this error. Error if means that your ice maker fan motor isn't spinning properly. This fan motor is located behind the back wall inside the freezer in the upper left corner. Now normally just frost or ice buildup has accumulated inside the fan housing causing this issue. You can generally just unplug the refrigerator for 24 hours and let everything thaw out, and it will function normally afterwards. For a more immediate solution, you would need to unplug the refrigerator, remove everything out of the freezer section including the drawer and ice maker, if you have one inside the freezer, and remove the back panel inside the freezer to expose the fan motor, then use a hairdryer to thaw the fan out quicker. If for some reason just thawing the fan motor out doesn't resolve the issue, the ice maker fan motor would need to be replaced because it's failing. Below is a video on how to remove the back panel if that's the way you want to go or need to replace the ice maker fan motor. Ignore the fan they are replacing, that is not the same fan you're interested in. The fan you are looking at is in the upper back left corner. Click here for video. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.